Welcome to our channel. The Huntington Bank mobile app makes paying bills convenient and secure from anywhere. Follow these step-by-step instructions to use the Bill Pay feature. Step 1. Download the Huntington Bank mobile app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android if you haven't already installed it. Step 2. Open the app and log in using your online banking username and password, or use biometric authentication if you've set it up. Step 3. From the main dashboard, look for the Pay Bills or Bill Pay option, which may be located in the menu or main navigation. Step 4. If this is your first time using Bill Pay, you'll need to enroll in the service by accepting the terms and conditions. Step 5. Click Add Payee or Add a new biller to set up a company or person you want to pay. Step 6. Enter the payee information, including the name of the company, your account number with them, and their address, or use the search function to find common billers. Step 7. Verify the payee information is correct and select the account from which you want the payment to be withdrawn. Step 8. Enter the payment amount and choose the payment date, keeping in mind that electronic payments typically arrive in 1 to 3 business days, while paper checks take longer. Step 9. Review all payment details carefully before clicking Submit Payment or Pay Now to process the transaction. Step 10. Set up recurring payments for regular bills by selecting the frequency, start date, and number of payments you want to schedule. Step 11. Check your payment activity regularly to confirm all payments were processed successfully and review your payment history. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.